Hello guys, good evening all. Can hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Let us start the class. Abhijit Sarkar.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you attended, Abhijit? You're from
Yes,
West
sir.
Bengal?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday morning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a moment. Yeah, tell me, you're all joined for Salesforce. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can hear me? Everybody, please be active in the class. Respond immediately. Try to understand what I'm asking here. Tell me, any one of you. Tell me, any one of you, what is Salesforce? Hello.
Sir, it is a company, cloud-based CRM company.
Very good, very good. So I'll explain you guys. Everybody, please respond immediately. Here, any one of you non-IT background?
Sir, I am from mechanical background.
So what is your name?
I too from mechanical.
No, first tell me your names and tell. What is your name?
Sir, Abhijit Sarkar.
Vijay Sarkar, you are from mechanical background?
Yes, sir, mechanical background.
Okay, fine. Next.
Varun Kumar Yadav, mechanical.
Varun Kumar, yeah. You're also from mechanical background?
Yes.
Except Varun and Abhijit Sarkar, is any one of you belongs to non-IT background? Hello? Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. We are not. We are from IT background.
Except two persons, rest of all IT background only.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Okay, in IT industry, we are in IT industry. We are all in IT industry now. In IT industry, we have two types of companies. How many? Two types of companies. One is vendor companies. Vendor companies can also be called as product-based companies. The second type of company called service-based companies or development companies. Development companies like what? TCS, PTS, Capgemini. We have Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Accenture. Wow, so many companies are there. All these companies are comes under what?
Service-based company.
Service-based companies or development companies. Vendor companies like Microsoft, IBM,
Joe.
Google, SAP, Oracle. All these companies are comes under what category? Vendor companies. Is anyone know what is the difference between vendor companies and service-based companies? Is anyone know what is the difference between service-based companies and vendor companies?
Yeah, service-based company works for vendors
Very
as
good.
a client.
Vendor companies are those kind of companies that develop what?
Software application.
Products, not
Mhm.
applications, products. Software products like what? Operating system. We have some programming languages, databases, some technologies, and also we have something like applications. So these are all developed with whom here? Vendor companies. These are all software products. I hope everybody know Windows is operating system. Yes or no?
Yes.
Windows operating system developed by which company?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. IBM company developed one of the database product name is called DB2. Is anyone hear this name? Database 2. Database 2 is a database product, just like what? It is just like Oracle only. Understand all of you?
Yeah, Oracle or SSM.
Yeah. Okay. Next, Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail application. Using this application, we can send the emails, we can receive the emails. Yes or no?
Yes.
SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. Is anyone here this programming language name? ABAP?
Yes, sir.
ABAP is a programming language.
Used to develop ERP products.
SAP company is a ERP based company. SAP company proprietary language name is called ABAP. ABAP is a programming language, it's an object-oriented programming language. Just like what? Like Java, C++, C#. Like these languages, ABAP is also a programming language developed by SAP company. Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called what? Oracle. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Like
sir.
that.
Yes, sir.
So these are the
Yes.
companies are develops what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, applications. All these products are developed by vendor companies. Using these products, development companies are develops what? These companies are develops
Software application.
software applications as per the requirement of
Client.
very good clients. Like TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Infotech, Accenture, Wipro. These are all development companies. All these companies are developed for software applications as per the requirement of whom here? Clients.
Clients.
Who are the third person here? Client.
Clients.
Who are the clients? Clients means business people. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, there have been different kinds of businesses in the market. Some people doing what? Banking business. Some people doing what? Insurance business. Some people doing hotel business. Some people doing hospital business. That's or no? Some
Yes.
people doing education business. Some people doing automobile business. That's or no?
Yes.
People doing telecom business. Like that, there are different kinds of businesses out there in the market. Suppose take the example of ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank people are using, sorry, ICICI people doing which kind of business?
Bank.
Bank, HDFC Bank, PI. These people are doing what business? Banking business. LIC, doing what kind of business?
Insurance.
Insurance. What else? What is this?
Taj.
ITC Kakatiya. Okay. Taj group of hotels. Like we have something like common group of hotels. So these are all what hotel industries. Hospitals. You know about what is this?
Follow.
Apollo. Air. This all comes under what? Hospital business. Education. JNTU. Oxford. Stanford. They're all doing what? Education business. Automobile business. What is this? Come on.
Hyundai.
Hyundai. Maruti.
Mahindra and Mahindra.
Mahindra and Mahindra. Mercedes Benz. Yes or no?
Yes.
These are all what? Automobile industries. Telecom industries, tell me.
Geo.
Vodafone. Okay. Airtel. Jio. These people are comes under what? Telecom business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me, all of you, in total IT industry, how many important persons are there?
3.
3. So who is the first person? Speak out everybody in the classroom.
Vendor
Come on, come on.
Vendor.
Vendor companies.
Vendor based.
Vendor companies or product-based companies. And who is the second person?
Service based company.
Service.
Service-based companies or development companies. And who is the third one?
Client.
Clients.
Business
So
people.
what is the relation between all the 3 people? Vendor companies develops what?
Software product.
Software products. Using the software products, development companies develops what?
Software applications.
Software applications as per the requirement of
Client.
Clients.
clients. Who are the clients?
Business people.
Business people are the clients. So why the business people are using? Why the clients are using? Software applications in their business. Suppose we go 40 years back or 30 years back, do we have banks in the market?
Yes.
Yes, we have banks, we have insurance companies, we have hotels, we have hospitals, everything is there, even 30, 40 years back also. But 30, 40 years back, nobody using what? Software
Software
applications in the business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? They run the business through what? They run the business through manually. Manual in the sense?
Offline.
Paperwork. Yes or no?
Yes.
They are using what?
File system.
File system. They never use any software applications in their business. But what is the advantage of using software applications in the business? Today, if you go any shopping mall, any bank or any industry or any insurance company or any hospital, wherever you go, you can see what? Software applications. Yes or no? They are having its own systems. They are using their own softwares to run the business. Me, what are the advantages of using software applications? Why the clients are using software applications in the business? Is anyone can tell the answer?
Yes, to automate the process and make the load easier.
To reduce the burden on the people. Sir, no.
To reduce the time, security.
Reduce the time, security.
Security. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and also we can do our business very quickly. Sir, no.
Yes, efficiently.
So efficiently, and also we can store the company information permanently, so that whenever you want, you can get the information. Yes or no? These are the advantages of using what? Software applications. Major advantages are 6. 6 major advantages are there. What is the first advantage is?
Time.
First, everybody's life, time is most important. Okay, it saves your time. Second advantage, it gives what? Security
Security.
and also scalability. And also, you will always get the
Reusability.
accurate information. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that we can improve the business. Okay. So these are the major advantages of using what? Like many advantages are there. I wrote only 5 here. So first mainly discuss about what here? Time. Time is most important in everybody's life. Okay, for example, a simple point, guys. Okay, Abhijit is there. He is my friend. He is in West Bengal. Abhijit Sarkar. Okay, let us assume he is in Kolkata. Abhijit, I forgot your town name.
Sir,
What is it?
Jalpaiguri.
JHA,
Sir, JAL,
JAL,
PAI, PAI, P, GURI.
GURA,
Yes, sir.
Jalpaiguri. It is in West Bengal. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So myself is Sai Sir.
Hyderabad.
Ah,
Okay, sorry. Sorry, sir.
yeah, I'm in Hyderabad. No problem. No. Hyderabad. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have the account in SBI Bank, State Bank of India, and he is having the account in Punjab National Bank, PNB. Okay. He is my friend. I'm talking about 30 years back matter, not now. 30 years back matter. Okay. So 30 years back, suppose one fine morning he called me and he requested me, sign up, please transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, my account. So what I have to do, if you want to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, what I have to do? I have to go to SBA. There I'm going to take some deposit form. Yes or no?
Yes.
I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I can deposit. Sorry, I can withdraw. Sorry, not deposit form. Form?
Withdrawal from.
Withdraw form. Yes or no?
Yes.
I withdraw 10,000 rupees and I need to go to where? Punjab National Bank. In this Punjab National Bank, I need to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Tell me, the whole process takes near about 1 hour time on 1 to 1.5 hour time. We
Yes.
got.
Yes, sir.
That is long back story. Today, if you want to deposit or transfer some amount to my friend's account, I no need to go to the bank personally. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I simply open my mobile. In my mobile, I have so many applications like what? Phone Pay,
Google Pay,
Google Pay,
Paytm,
Paytm,
Team.
or I can use net
Team.
banking application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or also I can use mobile banking
Mobile bank.
application. There are so many ways. We have plenty of ways. We can easily transfer the funds from my account to my friend's account. Just in a 1 or 2 minute span. Yes or no?
Yes.
We got all of you.
Yes.
So if I'm using all these applications, indirectly, am I going to save my time or not?
Save time.
So Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, net banking, mobile banking, what are all? These are all software applications. If you are using software applications, automatically we can easily transfer, we can save your time automatically. Yes or no?
Yes.
I hope all of you understand this example clearly. My bank example, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Second advantage. What is the second advantage?
Security.
Security.
Data will be safe.
Data is always safe. Okay, a layman point of view, security. How can I explain the security aspect? Very simple. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. Take the previous example only. How much amount I withdraw?
10,000.
Come on, 10,000 rupees. I kept into my pocket. I kept into my pocket. Yes or no?
Yes.
I walked down from SBI to Punjab National Bank. While I'm walking on the road, somebody theft my wallet. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
The whole 10,000 rupees are lost. Am I correct? There might be a chance. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means that 20, 30 years back, if you want to buy something, if you want to do any transaction in the market, you need to carry the cash with you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Without carrying the cash, he can't perform any operation. He can't do any transaction in the market. Say yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
Suppose I want to buy something in the maybe in supermarket. I want to buy some vegetables or fruits or some toiletries, some items I want to use. I want to buy. If I want to buy something, I have to compulsory carry the cash with me. Without carrying the cash, I cannot buy anything. But that is long back story. If you want to buy something outside the market, I no need to carry the cash. My mobile is enough. Provided that I should have the bank balance. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I have the mobile, I can buy anything outside. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Suppose I drink a coffee worth of 10 rupees, just 10 rupees, or I drink a chai worth of 5 rupees. I can pay through what? We got
PhonePe.
phone pay or what? Paytm.
Paytm.
You know, Paytm application completely developed on which technology? Any one of you? Completely developed on Salesforce technology. All of you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Paytm application completely developed on Salesforce. Understand, Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your cash or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class too.
Yes, sir.
So this is about security. And what is the next one here? Scalability. What is the meaning of scalability here? Scalability means, take the previous example only. Where is my friend is living?
Jalpaiguri.
Jalpaiguri. Sorry, Jalpaiguri. Yes or no?
Yes.
It is in West Bengal. And where I'm residing?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. If I want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account, I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to where?
Jalpaiguri.
Jalpaiguri. Yes or no? I
Yes.
have to go to the branch where my friend is opened the account. I have to go to that branch only. There only I can deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Why? Because 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank, one branch is no related to what? Another bank and another branch. Everything is independently working. But once software boom or once software came into the market, every bank, every branch is integrated together. Everything is centralized. That is why across the globe, from anywhere to anywhere, from any bank to any bank, you can easily transfer funds. This is all about what here?
Scalability.
Scalability. So scalability we can achieve through what? Scalability we can achieve through what? Software. All of you understand?
Yes.
We can reduce the time using software applications. We can get the security using software applications. And also we can achieve what? Scalability using software application. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you understand, guys?
Yes.
The fourth
Yes, sir.
advantage is what here? Accurate information. Okay. Always we can store the accurate information. Accurate information means there is no inconsistency. What is this?
Inconsistency.
No inconsistency. You're always getting the accurate information whenever you want and wherever you want. As a manager, if you get the accurate information in the company, you can take the right decision at the right time. If you take the right decision at the right time, automatically you can improve the business again. Or no?
Yes.
So these are the major advantages of using what? Software applications in our business scenarios. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me for my satisfaction, how many advantages as of now we discussed here?
6.
6.
6 advantages. What is the first advantage?
Time.
Time.
It saves your time. Second advantage?
Security.
Security.
Come on, everybody should speak in the class.
Security. Security.
Second, third one,
Scalability.
Scalability.
scalability. Fourth one,
Accurate information.
always getting accurate information. Fifth one,
Improve the
Improve the
business.
improve the business. Point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
So these are all the 5 major advantages of using software application. But this is only one side of the coin. This is only one side of the coin. What about the other side of the coin? The other side of the coin is what? What are the difficulties of using software applications in the business aspect? The point is clear.
Yes, sir.
What are the difficulties of using software applications in the business aspect? Listen carefully. I'm a business person. I have a company. My company name is called ABC Company. What is my company name, Abhijit?
ABC.
ABC.
ABC Company. This company is going to start maybe next year. For my company activities, okay, I need some software application. So I given this project to a development company called TCS. So TCS is a development company. TCS point of view, what is ABC?
Client.
ABC is a client. So what is the relation between the TCS and client? ABC company. TCS is the development company. This company need to develop what? They need some database, and also they need some operating system.
Okay.
Without operating system, without database, without programming language, TCS or any development company cannot develop any application for any client. Understand the point clearly?
Yes, sir.
Once again, I'm repeating. If any development company wants to develop the application for any particular client, they need minimum 3 things. One is what? Speak out.
Programming language,
Programming language,
database,
operating system. Without these 3, no development company can develop the application as per the client requirement. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, in this particular example, TCS wants to develop this application using a programming language name is called ABAP. Just now I told you, ABAP is a programming language which is developed by SAP company. It's an object-oriented programming language. That's or no? Just like Java. And also TCS decided to use backend database because company has some database or not. If they want to store the company database, they need some database software. So that is why they decided to use which database? Oracle database. And also TCS decided to use operating system like Windows. Now tell me, Windows operating system developed by which company? Microsoft. Oracle database developed by which company? Oracle. Web programming language developed by which company? Yes or no?
Yes.
These are the
Yes,
vendor
sir.
companies. These are all vendor companies. Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, these are all vendor companies. Now I'm asking a simple question. Is TCS can use pirated software out
No.
of the application as per the client requirement?
No.
No, sir.
No.
No, they are not
Security
supposed to
breaches will be
use.
there.
Understand, everyone here? Hello guys, can you hear me? Don't
Yes.
make noise in the class. I'm getting some noise from you. Thank you. So is TCS can use pirated software to develop the application as per the client requirement?
No.
TCS is not supposed to use what?
Pirated software.
Pirated software. TCS has to purchase. No. TCS need to
Purchase softwares.
buy original what?
Softwares.
Licensed software.
Licensed software.
Licensed software from come on.
Microsoft.
From vendor
Vendor
companies.
from the vendor companies.
Or no?
Yes.
In this particular example, TCS need to buy how many licenses?
3.
3 licenses
Three.
for 3 products. Yes or no?
Yes.
Windows from where? Microsoft company, Oracle from Oracle company, ABAP programming language from SAP company. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you know the original license software of ABAP programming language? Approximately 5 lakhs. Okay, Oracle database approximately 10 lakhs. Windows operating system approximately 10 lakhs. Now tell me, in this example, TCS need to invest how much?
25 lakhs.
Need about 25 lakhs. Okay, they purchased all the 3 products from all the 3 companies. And using these 3 products, TCS developed software application as per the client requirement. Now it is clear, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Getting some noise from you. Who's this guy? Guys, don't make noise. Thank you. So 25 lakhs invested by TCS. They purchased these 3 products from these 3 vendor companies. And using these 3 products, TCS developed application as per the client requirement. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, so they develop the application, they deploy the application at the client place. So tomorrow onwards, ABC company employees are going to use the application or not?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
If they
Yes.
want to use this application, the client systems also should contain Windows operating system. They also contains what Oracle database, and they also contains what ABAP programming language. Without ABAP programming language, without Oracle database, without Windows operating system, this application cannot run at the client space. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is why client also need to buy all the 3 products from all the 3 vendor companies. And also client also need to invest how much?
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. In this particular example, tell me all of you, how much business coming for, how much business coming for vendor companies?
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs business. Coming to whom?
Vendor companies.
Vendor companies. That is why, if you observe carefully here, clients, development companies, vendor companies. Among these 3 people, vendor company people getting more business, more profit than clients and development companies. That is why in the world, top 10 billionaires in the world, out of 10, minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor company owners. Accepted all of you this point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes, sir.
Microsoft company owner, Bill Gates. Oracle company owner, Larry Ellison. Facebook owner, Mark Zuckerberg. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who
sir.
are these people? These are all vendor company owners or not?
Yes, sir.
So vendor company owners are getting more business, more profit than clients and development companies. My point is clear now. That is why vendor company owners are the more, what is this?
Rich.
Richest fellows, richest people in the world. Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because they're getting more business than clients and development companies. That is why among these 3 people, clients and development companies, vendor companies, among these 3 people, vendor company people are more or most visionary people. Who are the most visionary people?
Vendor company.
Vendor company people.
The point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are in software field. In the software field, tell me, software versions keep on changing or not?
Changing.
Not constant. Versions keep on changing. Whenever the version will change, then automatically both clients and development companies need to update the software or not. Come on, all of you.
Need to upgrade.
Need to upgrade whenever the version will change. Whenever updation happens, every time they have to install the software. And also they need to maintain the software. What is the meaning of maintaining the software? Both the clients and development companies, they need to maintain, what is this? Separate server rooms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And they have to maintain some DBAs, database administrators. And every month they need to pay the salaries for these people, lakhs of rupees. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And there might be a chance of affecting with natural calamities. It could be happen, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Natural calamities means what? Any floods,
Cyclone, floods.
okay, or any
Storm.
fire problem, okay, or any other problem also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tsunami kind of problem, or whatever it is, any problem could be happen. If anything happens, automatically it is getting affected. What? Servers, database, everything. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it's all comes under what here? Maintenance. That is why in the traditional system, before cloud computing, in the traditional system, listen carefully, both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on updating the software on their own. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to keep on what? Maintaining the software. So upgrading the software, installing the software, maintaining the software, everything will be taken care of by both the clients and development companies on their own. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
That is a traditional system. This is the what?
Traditional. Sir.
Traditional system before cloud computing. All of you understand what I'm speaking here?
Yes, sir.
Hello. In the traditional system before cloud computing, both clients and development companies, okay, they have to upgrade the software, they have to install the software, they need to maintain the software on their own. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, comprising of all the three, it leads to increase the, what is this?
Cost.
Setup cost. Cost will increase day by day, like anything, for both clients and as well as development companies. Understand all of you? Because everything they have to maintain on their own. My point is clear now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because of the setup cost, only top level companies, only big companies, because of the cost, only big companies are using what? Come on. Software applications in their business, but not what? Small companies. This point is very crucial, guys. Because of the cost, only big companies are using what? Come on.
Software application in their
Software applications in their business, but not small companies.
small company.
For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. I hope all of you know about KFC.
Yes, sir.
Or no? Suppose I am going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. If I ordered one burger, the person who is standing in front of the system, he feeds my order into the system and he given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Means that is KFC people using software applications in their business or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Speak out.
Yes, sir.
KFC has its own software and also KFC has its own. Tell me, KFC using software applications in their business. Good. Suppose in Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. In Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. Understand all of you? I went to the bakery. I also ordered one burger. The bakery owner, who is the person is sitting in front of the counter, he do not maintain any systems, he do not maintain any software applications to run the business. Yes or no? He
Yes,
just
sir.
take my order, given the order to me. That's it. Now tell me in this example, why KFC using software applications in the business? Why not bakery?
The KFC is a big company.
KFC is a big company. KFC has lots of branches across India or across the globe. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Their business turnover in crores. But whereas bakery business, maximum thousands. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why bakery owner cannot use what? Software applications in their
Software
business.
applications.
Because bakery owner cannot afford what?
Cost.
Cost.
Cost. Whereas KFC company people can afford what?
Cost.
Cost.
Setup cost.
That is why
Yes.
they can use what? Software applications in their business.
Yes,
So
sir.
according to this example, what you understand is big companies are using software applications, but not small companies because they cannot afford what? Setup cost. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So according to this example, what you understand is small companies cannot afford what? Setup cost. Sorry, cannot afford what? Setup cost. That is why they do not use what?
Software applications.
Software applications in their business. Am I clear this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if you reduce the cost, then automatically business will increase or not? Customers will increase, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Customers will
Increase.
increase. If customers will increase, automatically what will happen?
Business will increase.
Business also will increase. Simple business formula. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
take a small example. Right now, I wore Calvin Clean Company jean pant. This cost is 10,000 rupees. Tell me how many people can afford 10,000 rupees cost of jean pant?
Very
Very
few.
expensive. Out of 100 people, maximum 5 people can afford. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The company will get how much business? 50,000 business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If a Calvin Klein company reduces the pant cost from 10,000 to maybe 5,000, 50% discount. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then out of 100 people, how many people can afford? 80 people can afford. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Speak out.
Yes, sir.
How much business? 40,000 business. Where is 50,000? Where is 40,000? Sorry. Not 50. 5K. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
80 into 50. How much?
4,000.
Huh?
400K.
It's correct.
Only 50,000. Huh?
840, 400.
I think 4 lakhs. Huh?
Mm,
Yes or no?
yes.
Where is 50,000? Where is 4 lakhs? No comparison. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, guys, simple point. If you reduce the cost, then automatically customers increasing or not?
Increase.
If customers increasing, then automatically business will increase. That is a simple formula. Now it is clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or no? So here also, if you reduce the cost, then automatically what will happen?
Business will increase.
Business will increase, customers will increase. That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept. Name is called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it is a concept or it is a technology. In this concept, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Point clear now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Vendor companies come up with a new concept and it's called cloud computing. What is this? It is a concept, it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, we need, everything will provided by whom?
Vendor company.
Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what?
Internet connection.
Internet connection and access those
Services.
services. Whatever services you require, everything provided by vendor company. They will provide hardware service, they will provide software service, they will provide everything, platform, everything provided by vendor company. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about cloud computing. In this example, I hope everybody can understand the exact concept of cloud computing. Okay, let me give a small example. Every day, I want to check my mails and also I want to take understand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, if you want to check my mails, if you want to take printout every day, first of all, I need to buy some laptop. Sir, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And also I need to buy some printer. And also I need to buy some stationery.
Stationary.
I need to take some internet connection.
Internet.
Come on. Sir, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, laptop costs approximately 50,000. Printer
50,000.
costs approximately
10.
20,000. Stationery cost approximately 500. Internet connection, I need to buy some router, some modem. I need to pay some advance, installation charges, and every month I need to pay the rent. Need about 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. Approximately 2,000-3,000 I need to spend. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Altogether 50 plus 20 plus 3, approximately 70 to 75,000 I need to spend or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we're just browsing only mails and also take the printout. I think it's unnecessary investment. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Instead of investing unnecessary 75,000 rupees, simply I'm going to some internet center. Come on. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or any browsing center. There I can check my mails and also I can take.
Printout.
Now tell me, all of you, in the internet center, who purchased all the systems?
Shop owner.
Printer owner. Who purchased the printer?
Owner.
Owner.
Who given the stationery to me?
Owner.
Owner.
Okay, I can use internet facility also. Yes or no? Who took internet connection? Owner.
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 All these facilities given by whom here?
Owner.
Owner.
Who am I? I'm a user. I'm a customer. Simply I go there. I can check my mails and also I can take the printout. I'm using laptop or not there? Yes. I'm using the printer? Yes.
Yes.
I'm using the stationery? Yes. I'm
Yes.
using internet? Yes. Everything I'm using. What are services I'm using, which is provided by owner? For that service, I need to pay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I'm using maybe 30 minutes, I have to pay near about 20 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
If I'm using 1 hour internet, I have to pay approximately 40 rupees. Someone need to mute, guys. Don't make noise. Excuse me. Anil Kumar.
Sorry,
Anil Kumar K. Suppose if I'm using 3 hours, I have to pay how much? Near
100
about
rupees.
100 rupees. Like that, how much services I'm using, for that service only I have to pay. But here, all the services given by whom here?
Owner.
Owner of the internet center. Same way, here owner is nothing but
Vendor
Hmm.
company.
vendor company. Vendor company owner provides what? All
Services.
services. Whatever service I want, I can use it. How much I want, I can use it. And how much services I was using, for that service only I have to pay. This is called what? Pay per use model. What is this?
Pay per use model.
Pay per use means what? How much services we are using, for that service only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you understand this internet example, internet center example, you can understand easily cloud computing. Here also, every service provided by whom here?
Vendor company.
Vendor company. Tell me, in the traditional system, okay, both clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software, they have to install the software, they have to maintain the software on their own. Sir, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But once cloud computing come into the picture, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by
Vendor companies.
vendor company.
Vendor company.
Everything provided by vendor company. Whatever services you need, we can use it happily, so that you don't need to maintain, you don't need to install, you don't need to upgrade the software on your own. So maintenance, installation, upgradation, everything will be taken care of by whom here? Vendor company.
Vendor company.
As a user, simply I can go there, use a service and come back. And how much services I'm using, for that service only I have to pay. This concept name is called what here? Pay per
Pay
use.
per use model.
Paper.
So all of understand the concept of cloud computing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes,
Very
sir.
simple, guys. It is not a rocket science. Very simple concept. Even a layman also can easily understand cloud computing. For this, you do not require any prior knowledge of any software technology. Even layman also can easily understand. Clear, all of you?
Yes,
See,
sir.
guys, one of my old student, Sriram, is having almost 50 plus years old. Out of 50 years, he is having more than 20 plus years experience in sales. Okay. Around 5 years back, he came to me. One of his friends suggested him to join what? Salesforce. That is why he came to me. He spoke with me. Sir, I don't know about anything regarding software. I don't know what is the spelling of software. I don't know what is the spelling of computer also. Can I understand this concept or not? You believe it or not? 6 months. Out of 6 months, 3 months training. Next 3 months, he does hard working. Almost he attended more than 15 to 20 interviews. Finally got selected. Now he is working as a senior developer in one of the MVC companies in Hyderabad. He is the inspiration for all of us at the age of almost more than 50 years. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Completely non-IT background guy. He is completely belongs to sales. He's not BTech also. He's MBA graduate. Clear, all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is why both IT people, non-IT people also can easily understand Salesforce. Very easy comparatively other technologies. If you want to learn this particular technology, you do not require programming language knowledge also. Everything I will be taking care of from my side. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Especially Abhijit Sarkar and the other guy.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone?
So what will the course duration, sir?
Course duration is 3 months, guys. The span of 3 months of time, I'm going to cover 6 modules. How many?
6 modules.
The first module is configuration. Second module is development. Third module is administration. Fourth module is integration.
Like
Module is lightning. Module is ERP. These are the 6 modules we will cover in your syllabus. Span of 3 months of time. Very easy, guys. Dead easy. Subject is very easy. And comparatively, see guys, see everybody working for what?
Salesforce. Sales.
Salary. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody working for what? Good salary. Directly come to the point. Okay. No objection at all. Okay. Everybody good and decent salary. Okay. But
Yes.
if you go for Java.NET, okay, you have suppose 5 to 10 years experience as a Java developer. Suppose approximately you will get 15 lakhs per annum. And let us assume like this. Okay. The same amount you can withdraw with the span of what? 3 years experience in Salesforce. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
So salary point of view, huge difference is there comparatively other technologies. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Huge difference. That too, if you go for Java.NET coding part is very high. 99% coding only. But whereas in Salesforce, only 60% coding. Rest of the 40% completely GUI. No need to write any coding part. No need to write any programming. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
That is it. Don't bother about the programming also. Everything I will be taking care of from my side. I will start the class very from scratch level. What is variable? What is statement? What is token? What is instruction? What is program? What is syntax? Like that. My approach is altogether different. See guys, I have 26 years plus years experience in where? We got training side. Understand all of you. Right now I'm working as a corporate trainer. Understand all of you.
Yes, sir.
I'm a corporate trainer for CTS. I'm a corporate trainer for Popcorn App. I'm a corporate trainer for Rapid Force Technologies. Understand? See,
Yes, sir.
if you do not believe me, I conducted an exam for employees. See here. Yesterday only I conducted the exam. This is examination papers. Rapid Force Technology employees. Tejas Sarnaik. Kolhapur company. What is this?
Rapid Force.
Training at Rapid Force. Rapid for HR. Just now I sent the marks to the HR people, HR in this company. Tejas out of 50, he got 45. 47. Sohel, 45 out of 50. Suyash, 45, 50. Umair, 43 out of 50. I'm the corporate trainer, guys. Every day I'm taking the classes between morning 10 to 12 and evening 3 to 5. Understand?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes,
I'm a
sir.
corporate trainer for different companies. CTS, Popcorn Apps, Rapid Force Technologies, many other companies. I was into Salesforce in the last 7 years. Before 7 years, I was into different technologies. Clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So that is why. So last 1 hour session, we discussed only 2 points, guys. Only 2 points we discussed. What is that? What is Salesforce? Second point is what is cloud computing? Salesforce. What is Salesforce here? Salesforce is a vendor company. Vendor company like what? Like, come on,
Google, Microsoft,
Microsoft, Google.
like Microsoft.
IBM.
This company started in 1990, San Francisco, California. See, not only these companies, guys. I used to take the sessions, online sessions for US companies also. I forgot to tell. Sorry. Many companies. US company. What is this? Maitri Software Training. It's US based company, guys. All are US people only. Everybody is. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Maitri and Impact Tech. What is the company name?
IT.
Impact Tech.
Impact Tech. Yes, sir.
Yes, all are US people only. No Indians is there here. All Indian, all US people. So this is the US guy. Akwasi. ASIT. ASIT means what? American School of IT. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a vendor company like Microsoft 1999, San Francisco, California, US. Okay, what is cloud computing? Already explained. Okay, so only these are the 2 points we discussed till now. Okay, guys, last 1 hour. So tomorrow we'll discuss about what are the services provided by vendor company. Last few minutes, I keep on saying that vendor company provides what? Services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides 3 types of services. How many?
3.
3 types of services.
IAS, CAS,
Ah.
and SS.
SaaS.
SaaS.
Tomorrow we will discuss about what? All these 3 services.
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you enjoy the session today.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 5 p.m. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, Vishnu.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, will recorded sessions be provided or not?
Every day we are providing recording sessions,
So, sir,
and also I will provide running notes, interview questions.
So placement support will be there or not?
I will show the placements also,
No,
recording
sir,
sessions, running notes, interview questions.
sir,
Everything.
from where we will get recorded sessions?
Durga management is going to provide the recordings every day.
Okay.
Running notes I will provide.
Okay, sir.
Running
Sir,
notes, interview questions, materials I will provide from my side.
okay, sir.
Understand?
Batch
Sorry?
What about the placement support?
timings every day 5 p.m.
Yeah, every day 5 p.m. Is this time is okay for all of you? 5 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Or if you want me to start the class at 6 o'clock? 6 okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
5 is okay, 6 is also. Sir.
Okay, fine.
6 is good, sir.
We will decide. In future, we'll start the class at 6 o'clock, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's about the previous session. I'll catch you tomorrow at 5 p.m. only, not 6 o'clock. Bye.
Can I get your number, sir?
95534 95532. Don't call me, please message me.
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp message, okay?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
So, hello, good evening all. Can hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Sorry for the delay because I had another session before this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Is anyone joined today? Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Is anyone joined today? Abhijit Sarkar, you are my old student, huh?
Yes, sir. I am yesterday and the previous day. Hello.
So you are my West Bengal student, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone joined today? Nobody? Fine. Let us start the class. Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Last class I discussed about, of course, last class is the first session. Last class we discussed about what is Salesforce and what is cloud computing. These are the 2 points discussed in the last session, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, good, good. So once again, I'm repeating, guys. Salesforce is a vendor company, just like Microsoft, IBM. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO,
Mark Benioff.
Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. This company runs on the concept name is called what? Cloud computing. What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing means it is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Understand the point here. It is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. A given internet center example also. I hope all of you remember the example. Sir, no?
Yes.
Speak out, everyone. Ajit.
Yes, sir.
But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company provides 3 types of services. How many?
Three.
3 types of services. One is what? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service. Like that, 3 types of services. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service,
Platform as a service.
someone need to mute, please. Someone need to mute. I'm getting some noise. Platform as a service, software as a service. Software as a service can also be called as what? Application as a service. Like that. Total how many types of services given by Salesforce? 3 types. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So first let me discuss about infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides hardware as a service, to the clients and the development companies is known as, what is this? What is this? Infrastructure as a service. All of you understand the point clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understand the point here. What is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service means providing hardware as a service. What is the meaning of providing hardware as a service? What does it mean? Hardware means what? Hardware means they are providing their memory space. They are providing their servers. They are providing their networks. So these are all comes under what? Hardware. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. So you know Google company. Or no?
Yes.
Come
Yes,
on, all
sir.
of you. Google company given Google Drive. What is the advantage of Google Drive?
Sir, we can store data.
We can store, okay, our files, our documents, our pictures. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, audio, video files, everything we can store. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how much space they given? For each person, they given what?
15 GB.
Yes.
15 GB.
So 15 GB memory space freely given by Google company to all the users. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So their memory space provided as what?
Service.
Service to all of us in the company, to all of us. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that kind of service we can call it as what?
IaaS.
Infrastructure as a service.
Infrastructure as a service.
Example, Google company provided Google Drive is a memory space as a service to all of us. And that kind of service we can call it as what? Speak out.
Infrastructure as.
Infrastructure as a service. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes,
or no?
sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
anyone joined today? Is anyone joined today? Deepak, can hear me? Deepak Singh. Very good. What is the next one here? Hello.
Platform as a service.
Platform as a service. Platform as a service. What is the meaning of platform as a service? What is the meaning of platform as a service?
Operating
Platform as a
system.
service means Tell me, I'm a developer, an application developer. If I want to develop the application for any client, I need minimum 3 things. That is, yesterday I told you this point. Operating system,
Database.
Database and
programming language,
programming language.
and database. Without operating system, without programming language, without database, no developer can develop the application for any client. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly.
So, whichever vendor company provides all these 3, operating system, programming language, database, as a service,
Microsoft.
as a service, the clients and the development companies, that kind of service you can call it as what? A platform as a service.
Sir, here's a question. Which type of operating system Salesforce provides?
Actually, operating system name they do not disclose. Operating system name, database name, they do not disclose the name. They disclose only programming language name. The programming language, what they provided to the developers is Apex. Apex is a programming language. Which is given by Salesforce company. Just like, SAP company given what? ABAP, web programming language. Same way, Salesforce company given one of the programming language for the developers is called Apex. But operating system name, they do not disclose. And all of you. I don't know who is asking this question. What's your name?
My name is Ahmad from Canada.
Ahmad. I hope you understand Ahmad this point.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
And database name, what I believe is they're using Oracle database.
Okay, great.
But they do not disclose the name called what? Operating system. Programming language they disclose. What is a programming language? Apex. Okay.
Okay,
So
thanks.
if any vendor company provides all these 3 as a service to the clients and development companies, what kind of service we can call it as what? Platform is a service. I hope all of you understand the point clearly. And
yes, thanks.
Everyone in the classroom, Deepak Singh, it's Sarkar, Ahmad, everyone in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now Ahmad got a doubt here. So is there any specific name for the platform which is given by Salesforce or not? Yes, there is a name for the platform which is given by Salesforce. The platform name is called force.com. What, Ahmad?
Yes, sir.
Force.com is a
Force.com.
platform name which is given by Salesforce for the developers, on which developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement.
Okay.
The old name can be called as force.com. The new name can be called as Lightning Platform. What is this?
Lightning
Light
platform.
platform.
My point is clear now.
Yes, sir. Great.
So once again, I'm repeating. The platform which is given by Salesforce is called force.com. The other name of force.com can be called as Lightning Platform, on which developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement. The point is clear now?
Yes.
Good. On this platform, we can develop the application very quickly. On this platform, we can develop the application as a developer very quickly, very fastly. That is why it can be called as a RAD. Do you know what is RAD stands for? Any one of you? What is RAD stands for? Deepak Singh? Or any one of you, please tell me. RAD stands for Rapid Application development. What is RAD stands for? Rapid application development. What does R stands for? Rapid. Rapid means, speak out.
Fast.
Quick. Fast application development. Listen carefully, try to understand. Is anyone here this name called enterprise application? Hello? Enterprise application is the combination of 3 different applications. One is business application, plus one CRM application, plus integration application. So, enterprise application is the combination of 3 different applications. Business application, CRM application, and what is the next one here? Integration application. So total how many applications? Speak out all of you.
3.
3 applications. Business application, CRM application, integration application. Combination of all the 3 applications, we can call it as what?
Enterprise application.
Enterprise application. Business application handles business activities. CRM application maintains the customer relation. And integration application, it is going to communicate with 2 different heterogeneous applications. For your understanding, I'm giving a simple example about integration application.
ETL tools are for enterprise application, right?
Sorry?
ETL tools we are using.
Yeah, ETL tool is enterprise application. Yes.
Okay.
Integration application means, listen carefully. Integration application means, for example, I want to go to a movie. So I open Book My Show application. Using Book My Show application, we can book the tickets through online. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to go to a movie like Triple R, RRR. I want to go to this movie. Okay. So I'm booking the ticket through Book My Show. Once I book the ticket through Book My Show, I have the account in HDLC Bank. Once I book the ticket through Book My Show, okay, the amount gets deducted from where? HDLC Bank. Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
And after amount gets deducted from my account, I will receive some SMS on my mobile saying that so and so amount gets debited from your account, like this. In the same way, I also get SMS from Book My Show application on so and so date, on so and so time, on so and so seat, so and so movie, your ticket has booked. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, I will receive the SMS on my mobile from Book My Show application also. So once I receive the SMS from these 2 applications, that itself is the proof my transaction completed. Sir,
Yes, sir.
my transaction completed. Come on, successful.
Yes, sir.
But nobody knows Book My Show application developed on which applications technology. HDFC Bank application developed on which technology. Let us assume Book My Show application developed on Java technology. And whereas .NET, so HDFC Bank application developed on .NET technology. So Java technology, .NET technology, completely different applications, completely different technologies. Though both are completely different technologies, these 2 applications are communicating with each other. Though both are completely different technologies, these 2 applications are communicating with each other. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
They complete the transaction successful. How it is possible? Between these 2 applications, there is another application plays an important role. That application name is called what?
Integration.
Integration application. The integration application make these 2 applications communicate with each other to perform the transaction successful. This is the role of what? Integration application.
Integration application.
All of you understand the point very clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. Everybody understand? Amar, Anil Kumar, Abhishek,
Yes.
Abhijit,
Yes.
Deepak Singh,
Yes.
Durgesh,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Good, good. Vikas, Varun Kumar, Rajesh, Rahul.
Yes.
Thank you. If anybody have any doubts, don't hesitate, guys. Please ask the questions. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. It's
So
quite
I'm going to
clear.
repeat once again. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. Platform as a Service means here vendor company provides operating system, programming language, database as a service to the clients and development companies. That kind of service we can call it as what? A platform as a service. The platform which is given by Salesforce is known as force.com. That is the old name. The new name can be called as what? Lightning platform. My point is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So on this platform, whatever application you developed, that application you provided as a service, then that kind of service we can call it as what? Speak out. Software as a service or
Software as a
application as a service. Point is clear now?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Software as a service,
Hello,
application as a service means
Hello,
here.
sir. Sir, I'm from electronics background. So, do I need have a data structure and algorithm knowledge to
Nothing is
enroll in?
required. Nothing is required. If you want to go for data science, you need data structures concept, mathematics concept, statistics, everything required. Understand? Abhishek,
Yes, sir. So, meaning no data structure and algorithm is required in
nothing is
Salesforce.
required. Nothing.
Okay, sir.
Very easy, Abhishek. You can easily understand. I'll make you understand the subject. Understand, Abhishek? Don't bother. It do not require any knowledge. Fine. The last and final one is what here? Software as service or application service. Here vendor company provides. Here vendor company provides application as a service to the clients and development companies. Is known as what? Come on.
Software as a service.
Software as a service or application as a service. Okay, for your understanding, I'm giving a simple example. You know about Google company. Google company given or developed what?
Gmail.
Email. Gmail is an application or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this Gmail application given by whom here?
Google.
Google. Using this application, we can send and what? Receive. Come on.
Email.
Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
Google company given this application directly as what?
As a services.
As a service to all of us. Using this application, we can happily send the emails and also we can receive the emails. So in this example, the vendor company Google given this application given as a service. Okay. Using this service, we can happily receive and send the emails. So this kind of service, we can call it as what? Come on.
Software.
Software as a service or application as a service. Understand, Ahmad? Guys, all of you understand this point clearly?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So like that, we have total how many types of services given by vendor company? 3 types of services. What is the first one? Come on, what is the first one?
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure as service, platform as service, and software as service.
Sorry, application as a service.
Very good. See guys, Google company is a top #1 company. Google company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives what? Software as service or application as a service. Understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And whereas Salesforce company is the top #1 company in the world. Use what? Speak out.
Platform.
Platform as a service. Point clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. Infrastructure as a service. Amazon company. The top 1 company in the world, which gives what? Come on.
Infrastructure.
Structure like AWS.
Yes, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon is the top #1 company in the world, which gives infrastructure. Salesforce is the top #1 company in the world, which gives platform. Whereas Google company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives what? Software as a service. My point is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. So as of now, we discussed about 3 points. What is the first point? What is Salesforce? Second point, what is CC? CC stands for cloud computing and types of services given by. Come on. Vendor companies or the cloud. Cloud means internet. Is called what? How many services? 3. Infrastructure.
Platform as a service.
Platform.
Software as a service.
I hope all of you understand all 3 points.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Shall I go for
Yes,
next
sir.
point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The 4th point, what I'm trying to discuss is, the 4th point is Salesforce
Partners.
clouds. First, let me discuss about Salesforce clouds. Then I will discuss about Salesforce partners. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what are the Salesforce clouds? Salesforce has many clouds, guys. Many clouds. Like we have something like marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud,
Force.com.
force.com,
Data cloud.
data.com, database.com, health cloud, commerce cloud, analytics cloud, like many clouds are there here. So what is the first one? Marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, force.com, data.com, database.com, health cloud, commerce cloud, and analytics cloud. So total how many clouds? Need about 6 to 7. 3 plus 3, 8, 9 clouds are there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Marketing cloud is an application. Application pertaining to marketing. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And the sales cloud is also an application. Application pertaining to sales. Service cloud is also an application which is related to service or what? Support. Understand everyone here?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Marketing
Yes.
cloud, sales cloud, and service cloud. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Here is a question, sir. If a company choose marketing cloud, for example, can he has access to sales cloud at the same time or not?
That depends on the requirement. It's not compulsion.
Okay.
Understand, Ahmed? But
Yes, sir.
generally, the companies are purchasing all the 3 clouds if they want to maintain any CRM.
Okay, CRM. Okay.
Because marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, these are all applications related to marketing,
Each other.
sales, and service and support. Actually, what is CRM stands for?
Client relationship management, customer
Relationship management.
relationship.
Are the other way around? I can say in this way. Management relationship with customers. Which is correct? Tell me among these two. Is it customer relationship management is correct or management relationship with customer is correct?
Both are.
I think both are correct, sir.
That's it.
Both are different. If you go inside, okay, if you go in depth, what is the meaning of CRM? Customer relationship management means customer need to maintain what?
Relationship.
Relationship with management. Second point, management need to maintain what?
Relationship.
Relationship with customer. Is correct among these two?
First one.
First one is
Second
correct.
one.
As per the first one, see, you take any company or any business. For every business, who is most important?
Customer.
Customer.
Without customer, no company will run the business. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Customer is most important.
But for businesses also customers are
Yes.
keep that.
So tell me, is customer need to maintain the relationship with management? Customer no need to maintain the relationship with the management. Because customers do not require management.
They have many choices.
But management should need to maintain what?
Relationship with customer.
Relationship.
Because for every management, for every business, customer is most important. Accepted all of you? So
Yes.
without customer, no business and no management. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That is why inner meaning of CRM is management has to maintain the amicable, friendly, healthy relationship with whom?
Customer.
Customers.
Customer has to maintain. Sorry, management has to maintain good relation with whom here?
Customer.
Because for every business, customer is most important. So that is the meaning of what here? CRM. But what is the goal of CRM here? What is the goal of CRM? Does anyone know? What is the goal of CRM? Goal of CRM means, see here, retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into the business. Point is now clear. What is this?
Yes.
Yes.
Retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into the business. What is the meaning of retaining the existing customer? What is the exact meaning of retaining? Retaining
Keep
means
them. Keep
them.
the customers.
keep. Our existing customers should stick with the company always. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Retain. Retain means what? Existing customer always with the, what is this?
Company.
Tell me, when the existing customer is always stick with the company, we have to provide, what is this?
Quality of
Quality product.
and services.
Service.
And also we need to provide what? Quality.
Service.
1 minute, please wait. Sorry, guys, it's an important call for me. So quality product and quality service. Once we provide quality product and quality service to the customer, then obviously existing customer always happy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Once existing customer happy because of mouth talk and mouth word of mouth, okay, and new customer come into the business. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understand the point clearly? That is why the goal of CRM is what here? Retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into the business. This is all about what here? CRM. So CRM is a combination of three things. What is the first one? Marketing plus sales plus what? Come on.
Service.
So combination of marketing, sales, service can be called a CRM. Is this okay, all of you? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, force.com. What is force.com? Force.com, I already told you, it's a platform. It is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application as per the business. What? Come on. Requirement. It is a platform which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application as per the business requirement. This is called force.com. Okay.
Yes.
What is data.com? Data.com is a place where we can get the complete information about all the clients in the world. That is data.com. What is database.com? Database.com is a place where we can get the complete information about the Salesforce company. Understand, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, Health Cloud. What is Health Cloud? Health Cloud means contains information about the doctor. And what is this?
Patient.
Patient relation. As a patient, can get the information about your health problem, and also you can get the solution for the problem. Next, here we can take doctor appointment. Do what? Speak out. Come on.
Online.
Understand, everyone here? It
Yes,
contains information about the doctor and the patient relation. And as a patient, we can get the information about the health problem, and also you can get the solution for your problem. Here we can take doctor appointment through online. It's all about Health Cloud. Next, Commerce Cloud. Commerce Cloud means it is related to B2B business and B2C business. B2B means business to business. B2C means business to consumer or customer. Understand?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So B2B business means, you know, KFC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, when you go to the KFC, there you can get some soft drinks. like Coke, Thumbs Up, Fanta. Come on,
Yes.
Pepsi.
Right.
This kind of drinks is available. Tell me, is all these drinks are manufactured by KFC company?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
These are the companies are different. KFC is different. KFC is one company, one business, and these are different companies, different business. So one business giving the business to what? Some other company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is called a B2B business. Business to business. Business to customer or consumer. And KFC also doing which business?
Business to customer.
Business to customer. They're selling some products like
Yes, sir.
pizzas, burgers, and all. Okay, fine. That is Commerce Cloud. Einstein Cloud means it's a combination of two things: IoT plus AI. IoT stands for what? Internet of Things. What is this?
Internet of
Internet of Things.
Of Things means machine to machine communication. You understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Machine to machine communication. AI means
Artificial intelligence.
artificial intelligence. Machine can understand human language. Yes or no?
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
For example, looking about IoT first. IoT means Internet of Things, machine to machine communication. I want to switch on my AC in my bedroom. If I want to switch on my AC in my bedroom, I need to use AC remote. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
instead of using AC remote, I can also use my mobile. Using mobile also, I can switch on my AC machine.
Yes, sir.
Mobile is different,
Yes.
AC is different. Both
Yes,
are
sir.
different machines. Though they can communicate with each other, they are working with each other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Called Internet of Things. Artificial intelligence means what? Artificial intelligence means machine can understand what?
Human language.
Human
Human
language.
language.
So you know about Alexa is the best example for this. Alexa
Yes,
and yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm asking Alexa, play a specific song, is Alexa can understand my language and she is going to play my song or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So machine can understand human language. This is called what here? Artificial intelligence. Is my point now clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that. These are the clouds which is given by Salesforce. What is that? Speak out all of you. Marketing cloud, sales cloud, service
Service.
cloud,
Service cloud.
Yes.
force.com, data.com,
Data.com.
database.com, health cloud, commerce cloud, and Einstein cloud. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is all about clouds. So altogether, total how many points completed? 4 points completed. What is the first point? Come on.
What is Salesforce?
What
What
is
is
sales?
Salesforce?
Second point.
What is
cloud
Cloud computing.
Third point.
Vendor company, types of service provided by
Types of
vendor
service.
company.
Fourth point.
Types of clouds.
Types of cloud. I hope all of you understand all these.
Yes, sir.
So
Total how
tomorrow's
many
session.
clouds?
Many clouds. I wrote very few things.
Yeah,
See here.
finance cloud.
Even our finance cloud is there. Education cloud is also there. What is that?
Education.
Education cloud. Developer.force.com. Platform, developer centers, commerce cloud, experience cloud, marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud. Experience cloud is also there. Education cloud is also there. MuleSoft. Okay. You all. We have the free time Salesforce products, Commerce Cloud, Experience Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, MuleSoft, Slack. They're all given by Salesforce only. CRM Analytics, Quip. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow class, we will discuss about Salesforce partners. What is it?
Salesforce partners.
That is developer.force.com, teamforce.com. Is anyone here this name, Teamforce? Come on, guys. Nobody knows? Okay. So developerforce.com, dreamforce.com, and appexchange.com. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
These are all Salesforce partners. About Salesforce partners, we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Fine. I will continue tomorrow same time, 5 o'clock. Regarding
Sir,
today's
We are not
class,
getting the,
sorry.
Sir,
we are not getting the notes, sir. Daily notes.
Oh, you
Running
want,
notes, wait.
you want running notes? Okay, okay. I will provide the running notes, no problem, guys. The problem is, as per the institute rules, we have to complete your formalities. Don't mind. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope you understand what I said.
Yes, sir.
You have to complete your formalities, then only we will provide the running notes, materials, and all. Recordings also.
Sir, is this a live
After
live
complete-
course or
Sorry?
sir, is this a live course or a video on demand course?
I do not understand what you're asking. Tell me, what is that?
Sir, is this a live course or a video on demand course?
No, no, no. It's a live exam, live class only.
Okay, sir.
It's a live class.
Sir, I have questions. After completing the formalities, do we have access to recorded videos as well or not?
Yeah, every day we are providing the recordings. Every day we will provide recordings, running notes, materials, interview questions. All these we will provide.
Okay, thanks.
Once you are, what is this? We got.
Okay.
The registers are completed. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
1 minute, please wait. They provided some information. Yeah, you can speak, Muskan. You can speak. Muskan can hear me. Muskan, you can speak.
Yeah, we are from Durga Soft, sir. We have provided the account details in the chat box. Through that particular payment details, you need to complete your registration process so that from tomorrow we can share you the material as well as the Google Drive access for the videos.
Is everyone understand what she said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is Muskan from Durga South? Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
He or she share the payment details, information and all. Everybody please look at the chat box. Everyone. Open your chat box. There you can get the complete information about the payment details. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
This is the Google Pay number. I think as well as Phone Pay also. Yes or no, Muskan?
No, sir. Google Pay only is working. Phone Pay is not available at present.
Oh, I see. So do we have any Phone Pay number, Muskan?
Phone Pay present it is not working. For the same number, we are having Paytm, sir.
Oh, Google Pay and Paytm, same number, guys.
And for Western Union,
Western Union. Yeah, do you
Yes.
have Western Union transfer? The people who are staying in other countries? Muskan?
Western Union is also.
Yeah, because I'm living in Canada, so it's difficult to me.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. He's from Canada, Muskan. Ahmad.
Yeah, Western Union is available, sir. I'll share in the Western Union details.
Yeah, please share the
Okay,
details.
thanks.
Can you please share the details of Western Union?
Yeah. So once your registrations are completed, so that I can provide all these things, guys. Everyday recordings, stunning materials, running notes, interview questions, everything I will provide. Okay. So, and how you feel about the sessions till today?
Sir, very good.
Good, sir.
Okay.
Appreciate your time, sir. And it was very easy, simple, and especially the lecture is very nice.
Thank you, Ahmad.
Despite I don't have any IT background, but still I understand all this stuff that you're explaining because you're explaining that in a simple way.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Sir, for the development, do we need to have any basics of Java?
Not required. You do not require anything. I promise you, I will start the class very from scratch level. What is variable? What is program? What is statement? What is token? Even a layman also can easily understand my class. I will make you masters in programming. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Mahalakshmi, sir.
You're from?
I'm from present US.
Okay, great. So did you attend yesterday's class, Mahalakshmi?
Yes, sir. I attended.
And this guy, Deepak Singh. Can you hear me, Deepak Singh? Deepak, I spoke with you today afternoon. Deepak can hear me. Muskan, could you please share the Western money transfer information? Hello. Muskan can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Please share the details, Western money transfer. Good. Thank you.
Yeah, so Deepak here. Sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah, Deepak.
Yeah.
So Deepak, today I don't have time to speak with you regarding your concerns. Don't bother, Deepak. Okay. Please believe me. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. I'll go ahead, sir, with your words. So I'll continue.
Yeah.
I'll complete the registration formalities today, then we can continue.
So
That's total how many certifications sir, Salesforce can?
So initially can go for admin certification. Need about 5 to, there are so many certifications are there, but it's a technical side. We have need about 6 to 7 certifications are there. 6 to 7. Admin 2, development 2, also app builder. Okay, that is 5. And one more thing is also there. You can find in the Google. And Ahmad and Mahalakshmi, please take the details.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Sir, one more question. So after completing this course, can I able to complete certification in administration and development?
Why not? We can.
Yes, sir.
I will provide the terms also if you want.
Yes, sir.
This is for Western Union, sir. This detail. This details is for Western Union.
Yeah, I hope so. Is it right, Muskan?
I don't think so.
Muskan can hear me.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Net banking. It's net banking, I think.
Is it information related to Western Union?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get it.
The information what you shared to us, is this Western Union information or not?
Yeah, yes, sir. It's for Western Union payment.
Ahmad,
Yes, sir.
okay, you please try from this. If not, please let me know. Okay, we will provide the other solution. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because we usually don't send with this type of details.
Yeah,
Money
even I
from-
know about this. See, this is not the way to send the money transfer. You have to give the complete information, complete address.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Complete address is required.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Only bank details. Muskan,
Yeah, yes, sir.
see, the only bank details is not the way to transfer the funds through Western Union. You have to come. You have to enter the complete address of the person, recipient.
Like, I'll share them via mail, sir. All the details. Hello?
Okay, anyway, no problem. Okay, you have the time. Within a couple of days, you can pay the fees. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Sir.
Or otherwise, you can add your number with IFSC code in net banking or mobile banking. Through net banking, also you can transfer. Mahalakshmi and Ahmad.
Yes, but I think it's
This
a
is
little bit.
required.
And so Western Union should be easy for us to transfer money.
I think this is the easy one rather than Western money transfer. If you transfer the money through Western money, you have to go to the concerned place and take the amount from there only. I hope so. Is it right?
I give it a try, but if the bank do that, so yeah, for sure I will do it. But it depends on banking system. So how they transfer, follow these instructions.
Because I used to take sessions for US people. Some people send the money through Western money transfer. So what
Yeah,
happens is I used to collect the money from the specific center.
Okay.
From there, I need to go and there I can collect the money. And I have to submit my Aadhaar card and all.
Okay,
That's
I try,
the-
sir.
Yeah, you please add this number to your account. I think it is possible through transfer through net banking or phone banking.
Okay,
If not, we will discuss later. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
for
Fine.
sure.
So we'll continue tomorrow, same time at evening 5 o'clock. Thank you guys. Happy weekend. Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, all of you. Nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Facebook.com. So this is my Facebook account here. Hello. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
Facebook point of view, who am I?
End user.
Facebook point of view, I'm the end user. It's or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Come
sir.
on.
Yes, yes, this is the end user.
Okay. Facebook point of view, I am the end user. Okay. Fine. Have you ever typed this? Like developer dot Facebook.com. Guys, everybody please involve in the class. Try to understand what I'm asking. Have you ever typed this developer.facebook.com?
No, never.
No, sir.
No, never. Yes or no? Everybody using what? Facebook.com. According to Facebook point of view, we are the end users. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We
Yes.
are the end users. This is the SaaS side of Facebook. What is this?
Asset software.
This is the SaaS side of Facebook here. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now open this. Developer.facebook.com. Press enter button. Meta for what? What is this?
Developers.
Developers. It's a developer's environment. You never opened this site before in your life. I hope so. It's
Yeah.
a developer
Right.
circles. It's
Yes,
completely meant for a developer's purpose. I can say it is a PaaS side of Facebook. This is end users Facebook. This is developers Facebook. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Developers are working here only. Developers are working here only. Okay, like that.
Just for clients.
Yeah, like that you take any website, any social website if you take, wherever you go, you have two things. One is, okay, SaaS, the other one is what? PaaS. Understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
PaaS and SaaS. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is what? This is what? This is the SaaS side of Facebook. Understand the point here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the PaaS side of Facebook. Let me close this. Open this. You people are having LinkedIn account, yes or no?
Yes.
LinkedIn.com. Here you need to enter your phone number and password. Tell me, this is end user side. Okay. Now, developer.linkedin.com. Have you ever typed this before? You never.
Personally,
It's
never.
developers LinkedIn. It's a developers LinkedIn. Developers is the place where he can develop the application. What is the button? Create app. Tell me who create the apps in real time? Developers or end users?
Developers.
Developers. So this is the developer side of LinkedIn. This is the end user side LinkedIn. I can say this is the SaaS. This is what? PaaS.
This is PaaS.
This is the PaaS side of Facebook. This is the SaaS side of Facebook. Or LinkedIn. Sorry, not Facebook, LinkedIn. This is the SaaS side of LinkedIn. This is a PaaS side of LinkedIn. Like that, you take any social website, we have two things. Developers environment, end users environment. This is end users environment. This is developers environment. Developers is the place where he can develop the application. Clear all of you? Like that. What is this? Come on, all of you. What is this? Developer.salesforce.com. What is developer.force.com? Developer.force.com. It is a technical guide. What is this?
Technical guide.
Tell me what guide contains question and answers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Generally, guide contains what? Question and answers. Okay.
Yes.
It's a technical guide for whom? For the developers. It's a technical guide for the developers. As a developer, if you open this guide, you can come across to know that the strength and what is this? Potentiality of the Salesforce. And also on force.com platform
For end users.
what we can develop and how we can develop and what we can achieve. Understand all of you here? Once again, I'm repeating. Developer.force.com. It is a technical guide for the developers. As a developer, if you open this guide, you can come across to know that the strength and the potentiality of the Salesforce, and also on force.com platform, what we can develop and how we can develop and what we can achieve. Everything you can come across once you open what? Developerforce.com. Let me show here. I'm going very slow because it is very important topic. Developer.force.com. I type, press enter button. Yesterday I already shown this. Remember, Salesforce for developers. Home, documentation, API, discover. Under discover, we can see platform, commerce cloud, experience cloud. Service cloud, sales cloud, MuleSoft, Slack, Value, CRM analytics, Quip. We have something like Apex, Lightning Web Components, Salesforce Flow, developer experience, APS integration, Heroku, mobile SDK, LWC for mobile, embedded service SDK, DevOps, security, identity, Salesforce, Salesforce functions, Einstein, Lightning design system. It's all comes under what? Discover here, build, connect. So we have different communities here, developer forum community, Trailblazer community. We have something like partner communities. Right side, we can see sign up. We can create the account through sign up only, developerforce.com. Okay. So I hope you understand what is developerforce.com here. Next, dreamforce.com. Do you know what is dreamforce.com? Dreamforce.com, it is an event. It is conducted by Salesforce every year. Understand everyone? What is the event name? Dreamforce.com. It is an event which is conducted by Salesforce every year. In this event, okay, across the globe, from all companies, company CEOs, company CTOs, company architects, company MVPs. MVP stands for most valuable persons. All the people come across from all over the globe and attend this particular event, then exchange their thoughts in this particular event. Understand all of you?
Yes.
So what is the
Yes,
event?
sir.
Dreamforce.com. It is an event which is conducted by Salesforce every year. In this event, across the globe from all company CEOs, CTOs, architects, MVPs. Okay. They group together. Okay. And they exchange their thoughts. In this event, I'll show you here. Look at this. What is Dreamforce? So join us in a person September for an epic experience, 3 years in making. In 2019 Dreamforce event. Videos. Dreamforce 2019. It was November 19, 2019.
They all got invited by Salesforce, right?
And this is the keynote of Mark Benioff, Dreamworks opening keynote. Trailblazer. Is everyone can hear this? Hello.
No, sir, it's not audible.
No, sir.
Not audible. Of course, it's not audible for you, but it's audible for me. At least view these pictures, this video. If you have the free time, guys, you can go through these videos and all so that you can come across to know that what exactly Dreamforce means. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
an
Yes,
event,
sir.
ultimately it's an event which is conducted by Salesforce every year. Huh? Fine. So that is the third one is what here? Something like appexchange.com. What is that?
Appexchange.com.
Yeah, appexchange.com. I can say it is nothing but App Store and Play Store in mobile. Just like Salesforce given something called what here? Appexchange.com. This is the place. This is the place where developers can sell the applications, whereas clients will buy the applications. Selling and buying is happening in where here? Appexchange.com. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actual trading is happening. The actual trading is happening here only. What is the exact meaning of trading here? Selling,
Selling and buying.
Buying.
This is called about trading. The actual trading is happening here on appexchange.com. It is just like your app store in your mobile or Play Store in your mobile. Okay, here where developers can sell the applications to clients and client will buy the application from the developers.
This kind of applications that only they are made by Salesforce or different applications?
Only Salesforce applications.
Okay, thanks.
Only Salesforce platform applications. That's it. So these are the three things comes under what? Salesforce partners. Developerforce.com. We have something like dreamforce.com and appexchange.com. Now, is this clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. It is
Yes.
all about Salesforce partners. Of course, nobody asking at the time of interview about Salesforce partners, but out of the box, it's all about out of the box. I just explained this. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And coming to the next important topic, this is very important. This is very important. That is versions of Salesforce. And we have something like editions of sales. And we have something like requirements of sales. These three things we will discuss in today's session now. Versions of Salesforce. What is the exact meaning of version of Salesforce? So we are all in software industry. In software industry, we have many software products like Java, .NET. We have some operating system like Windows. We have some databases like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server. Like that, we have different products. Some of them belongs to operating systems. Some of them belongs to databases. Some of them belongs to programming languages. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You take any
Yes, sir.
product, you take any software product. All software products are in different versions are available. Suppose take the example for your understanding. So you know about Oracle database. Oracle database, first version released in 1.0. What is the first version of Oracle? 1.0, then 2.0, then 3.0, then 4.0, like that 7.0. I knew Oracle from 7.0 onwards. Then after 8.0, then after 8i, then 9i, then 10g, then 11g, then 12c, then 13c. We have 14c. Like this, we have something like now it is 19c. Now it is 22c, I hope so. That is the current version, I believe. Guys, here I stands for Internet Technology. G stands for Grid Technology. And C stands for Cloud Technology. Understand everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So you take
Yes, sir.
Oracle. If you observe all the Oracle versions, every version of Oracle are in numeric format. Which format?
Numerical format.
Numerical format.
Same way, take the example of very popular language like Java. Java 1.0. I knew Java from 2.0 onwards in 2000. I attend some sessions also. Then 9.0. I don't know what is the latest version in Java. I believe it's 9.0. I think so. Okay. Like that, you take Java also. Java versions also are in which format?
Numeric format.
Java versions also are in numeric format. Like that, either Oracle, either Java, or you take any operating system or any software product which are related to IT industry, every version are numeric format only. But the significance of Salesforce, the importance of Salesforce is altogether different, okay, from other software products. Salesforce versions are not in numeric format. Understand? But it is based on
Season.
seasons. Understand everybody?
Yes.
It's really surprising. What is the seasons format here? Seasons format means every year, Salesforce releases 3 types of versions based on seasons. The first one, winter season. After winter season, then what is this? Come on, summer season. Then after what is this? spring season. Like that, every year Salesforce releases how many versions?
3.
3 versions. Each version new is how many months?
4.
4 months. So 3 into 3 into 4, how many months altogether? 12 months. So do you know what is the current version of Salesforce? The current version of Salesforce is summer season, summer version. Right now, you people are learning summer version 22. What is this 22 represents? Year number.
Yeah.
My point is clear now.
Yes, sir.
So you know. What is this? Training at the rate rapid force. Rapid force is a corporate company, guys. For these people, I'm giving the corporate name. Look at this, everyone.
Yes, sir.
What is the version you are learning?
22.
Spring, sir, summer 22. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
That is all about what? Versions of Salesforce. The next one. The next topic is editions of Salesforce. So before I discuss about editions, let me discuss about something like you know my number, my mobile number 95534 95532. This is my number. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm a postpaid customer. I took this connection from Idea around 2013. Approximately 9 years ago, I took this connection from Idea company. So before I took this connection from Idea, I have to approach some executive. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Idea executive. That executive is going to explain about the different types of plans which are provided by Idea company to their customers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, we have something like 149 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have 249 rupees plan per month. We have 349 rupees plan per month. We have 449 rupees plan per month. Like that, different types of plans they designed as per the customer's usage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, for example, I don't know your names. Abhijit. Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Abhijit, are you married?
No, sir.
Do you have any girlfriend?
No, sir.
At least first crush?
Sir, 1 or 2.
1 or 2, at least tell me one person name.
Sir, Ankita.
Ankita, very good. She is touch with you right now?
Sir?
Still, she is touch with you?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Suppose Ankita is your girlfriend. Everybody, please listen to the class very carefully. Who is she?
Ankita.
Yeah. Who is she?
Abhijit girl.
Abhijit girlfriend. Okay, Ahmad? Ahmad, can you hear me?
Okay, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
So, he falls in love with Ankita. Okay, Ahmad?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And she is his girlfriend. Now, at this particular point of time, among these 4 plans, which plan you are going to select? Abhijit? Obviously, you have to go for 449 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because you need to make many calls every day.
Yes,
Speak
sir.
out.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So that is if you subscribe 449 rupees plan per month, if you make a call idea to idea, it is free. Suppose Ankita is also using what? Same
Idea.
idea. Yes or no?
Yes,
So that
sir.
he can make many calls every day to that. Next, idea to some other mobile like Airtel or some other company. Okay, it may be approximately 10 paisa per minute. I don't know what is the exact rate. 10 paisa per minute. Okay, you will get unlimited SMS free. What is this?
Unlimited SMS.
Unlimited SMS free. And also every day you will get 1 GB data free. Mobile data. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
kind
sir.
of facilities you will get when you subscribe what?
449 plan.
449 rupees plan per month. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Abhijit, you married here. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You married here. Here. Now immediately shifted into which plan?
You
Come
will
on,
change
come on.
it.
149.
149 rupees plan per month. Yes or no?
149.
Yes, sir.
149. Clear all of you. It does not require 449 rupees plan. You can go for what? 149 rupees.
149.
If you go for 149 rupees plan per month, you won't get this kind of facilities. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Hardly can make a call to your wife or your father and mother. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is why you can go for what? 149 rupees plan per month. So plan to plan. Obviously, what facilities are going to change or not?
Change.
Yes or no?
Change.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Same way, Salesforce company given some additions. Salesforce company given some additions based on their usage, customers' usage. These additions are broadly divided into 5 types. How many?
5 times.
5 types of additions. The first one is called, the first type of addition is called professional edition. Second one,
Enterprise.
enterprise edition.
Unlimited.
Next one.
Essential. Or something.
Last and final one is what here?
Developer.
Developer edition. Like the total, how many editions are there?
5.
5.
5 editions. Sir, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Clear everyone? So professional edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition, essential edition, and developer edition. Among these 5 editions, first 4 editions, professional, enterprise, unlimited, essential. First 4 editions are what? On
Paid.
paid editions. And whereas developer edition is what here?
Free.
On
Free.
free edition. So this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Understand everyone?
Yes,
That's
sir.
right. So yeah.
This is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Developer edition. I'll show you here. Developer.force.com. Everybody please read this. Sign up for
Sign
your
up for
Salesforce development.
developer.
What is this?
A full featured copy of the platform for free.
For free. Developer edition is a free edition or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, sir, there's a question. So, for practice, which edition we can use, for example, to practice all these lessons?
Go for this one.
Developer.
Developer edition. Understand? Ahmad, go for
Yes, sir.
developer. Go for developer edition only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Look at this.
Environment is different, sir. Paid
Sorry?
version and environment is same or different?
Environment is same, but facilities all will change, will vary. Facilities in the sense what? I can say Governor limits will change. What is this?
Governor limit.
Governor limit. What is governor limit? I will discuss later. This is not the right time to discuss about the governor limit. Okay.
Okay.
Administer, what is this? Company information is there. What is this?
Company
profile.
information.
Expand this company profile, company information. Go down. Organization edition. What is the edition we are using?
Developer edition.
Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Like that, Salesforce given how many types of editions?
5.
5.
Out of 5, how many paid and how many free?
2
4
paid.
paid, 1 free.
2 paid.
free, 1 free.
3
4
free.
paid, 1 free.
Free.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
4 paid, 1 is free. What is the free edition name here?
Developer.
Development.
What is this?
Developer edition.
Enterprise edition, unlimited, essential, developer edition. Good. So that is all about editions of Salesforce. Next, third one. Third one is what here? What is this? Environments of,
self.
come on. Environments of what is this?
Salesforce.
Environments of Salesforce here. See guys. There are 2 types of environments. How many?
2 types of environment.
One is what? Sandbox environment. Second one is what? Come on.
Production.
Production environment. Sandbox environment and production environment. So first, let me discuss about sandbox environment. Sandbox environment is a developer's environment. The developer's environment. 1 minute, guys. Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, guys. Please wait. Please wait. It's a developer's environment. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It's a developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the, what is this?
Clients.
Client's requirement. Developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's requirement. That is called what here? Sandbox environment. I can say it is purely PaaS environment. What is this? Come on.
Purely PaaS.
What is PaaS stands for? Tell me.
Platform as a service.
Platform as a service. It's a developer's environment or not?
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next important point. is purely PaaS environment. Actually, again, sandboxes are divided into 3 types. How many?
3.
3 types.
There are 3 types of sandboxes. The first one, configuration sandbox. Second one, developer sandbox. Third one, copy sandbox. What is the first one here? Hello.
Configuration sandbox.
Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. So the configuration sandbox means here developers develop the application based on what? GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Here developers develop the application based on what? GUI. Graphical user interface. Understand the point here? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So completed drag and drop, point and click. Developer no need to write any program. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
40% of application. 40% of application we can develop. Do what? Come on.
Configuration sandbox.
Configuration sandbox. The point is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Developer no need to write any code. Developer sandbox means here developers develop the application completely based on what? Coding
Coding.
or programming. I can say 60% of application we can develop through what? Coding part. 40% GUI, 60% what? Coding. Understand the point here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For coding, for programming, Salesforce given one of the programming language name is called Apex. Apex is a programming language. Using that language, developers can develop the application. But only 60%, not that much coding. If you go for Java, .NET, it's heavy coding. Okay. Salesforce coding is very less. Someone need to mute, please. Someone need to mute. I'm getting some noise. Abhijit? Yeah. So next, the third important one is full copy sandbox. What full copy sandbox contains? Full copy sandbox contains the replica. What is this? Contains the replica. Replica in the sense? Come on.
Duplicate.
Duplicate copy of the original application. Tell me why they placed the duplicate copy of the original application full copy sandbox. Why? Because it is meant for testing purpose. What purpose?
Testing purpose.
Testing purpose. After completion of application development, what we have to do? We have to test the application or not.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So at this particular point of time, I need to tell one important point. Do you know about SDLC? Software development life cycle. What is SDLC?
Yes, sir.
Software development life cycle. Okay. In this life cycle, software development life cycle, we have 4 phases. The first phase is designing phase. Second phase is development phase. Third one is what?
Testing.
Testing.
Testing phase.
Fourth one.
Last one is what here?
Releasing to the market.
Deployment.
Deployment.
So designing phase, development phase, testing phase, and deployment phase. Understand all of here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after development, what we have to do? Testing. What is the meaning of testing? Testing means whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or not. That process can be called as testing. Understand?
Sir. Yeah, I got you, sir.
It is a process of what? Checking
Checking
whether
software, the application.
whether the application is really meeting the
As per client's requirement.
customers or client's requirement or not. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Called what? Testing phase. Testing means it is a process of checking whether the application is really meeting the customer's requirement or not. That is called what? Testing.
Testing.
After testing, what we have to do? We have to go for deployment.
Deployment.
What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means move the application from sandbox environment to what?
Production.
Production environment. So this process can be called as what? Deployment. Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to, come on,
Production environment.
that process can be called as deployment. Is this point clear now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or no? So once we deploy the application, then client will come to the picture. So tell me, what is the second environment here?
Production.
Production environment. So before I'm going to discuss about production environment, let me recap the points. How many environments in Salesforce?
Two
types.
Two types.
Sandbox
Sandbox environment.
In the sandbox environment, it's a developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's requirement. There are three types of sandboxes. What is the first one?
Configuration, developers, full copy.
Developer sandbox and full copy sandbox. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next one. Tell me. Today's session, we were discussing about versions of Salesforce. How many versions we discussed? Come on. 3 versions.
3 versions.
Every year, Salesforce releases how many versions? 3 versions. Winter version, summer and spring. What is the current version you are using?
Summer version.
22.
Summer 22.
Summer 22.
After that, we will discuss about editions of Salesforce. Understand all of you? How many editions?
5.
5.
5. Professional, enterprise,
Enterprise,
unlimited, essential, and developer.
developer.
Out of 5, first 4 editions are what? Paid editions. Last edition is a paid
Free edition.
Next, environments of Salesforce. How many environments? 2 types of
2.
environment. What is the first one?
Sandbox environment.
Sandbox environment and production.
Developers.
Sandbox environment is purely developers environment, where developers can sit and develop the application. That's for the client requirement.
Yes, sir.
How many types of sandboxes do we have? 3 types. What is the first?
Configuration.
Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and sandbox. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The developers environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the client's requirement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In configuration sandbox, 40% of application we can develop through what?
Configuration.
GUI. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Developer no need to write any code. Developer sandbox, 60% of application can develop through what?
Apex.
Full copy sandbox, it contains a replica. Duplicate copy of the original application. This was meant for testing purpose. So after testing completed, then we have to move the application from sandbox to production. So this process can be called as deployment. So tomorrow class, we will discuss about production environment. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In the production environment, tomorrow class very important, don't miss it. Roles and responsibilities of system administrator I'm going to discuss. What is this? Come on.
Roles and responsibilities.
So,
Admin. Administrator.
roles and responsibilities of system administrator we will discuss in tomorrow. Is this clear now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Thanks.
Sir, as a developer, which is sandbox you using, sir?
As a developer, we are using this one only. Both configuration sandbox, developer sandbox.
Okay.
Both we are using. Fine. So I'll catch you tomorrow same time, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Once again, I'm requesting before I'm leaving the session today, please complete the formalities as soon as possible, guys, so that I can share this document.
Yes, sir. Sir, I need the Western Union details. Despite I have sent an email to Durga, but I haven't got any response yet.
Muskan, can you hear me? Muskan? Muskan, am I audible? Muskan, can you hear me? Okay, don't bother, Ahmad. I will inform you tomorrow. I will share the details. I will share the details.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. I'll catch you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
So last class I started environments of Salesforce. How many types of environments we have? 2 types. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the first one here? Come on. Sandbox environment.
Sandbox.
Yeah. And what is the second environment here? Production environment.
Production.
So production environment. What is today's date? 16/6/20. Production environment. This is the client's environment. Where client and client employees are using the application. Understand all of you. This is the client's environment where client and client's employees are using the application. I can say it is purely SaaS environment. Which environment? SaaS environment. So the next point is what I'm going to discuss is the roles and responsibilities of system administrator. Actually, system administrator are always sitting at the production place. Understand all of you. Once again, I'm repeating, listen carefully. System administrator always sitting at the production place, means client's place. He is a person, okay, creating the user accounts, creating the roles, and also creating the profiles. And he is a person granting. What is the meaning of granting? Granting means what? Come on.
Giving.
Is anyone joined today? Is anyone joined today? Excuse me. Is anyone joined today?
Yes, I have joined today.
What's your name?
Sangeeta.
Sangeeta, and you missed only 2 sessions.
Okay.
You please take the recordings from the management. Okay.
Okay.
We provide the recordings. You please listen the recordings. While listen the recordings, if you have any doubts, you can ping me. I will clarify your doubts.
Okay. Sure.
Don't bother, Sangeeta. I'm not yet started the actual topic.
Okay. Thank you.
The topic is going to start from today onwards.
Okay.
I also joined today only. I'm Rajesh.
Rajesh, you also. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So please take the recordings from the management. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ping me.
Okay.
Is anyone joined apart from these 2 persons?
Yeah,
Hello?
Prakash, this is Veena.
Veena, okay. Veena, okay, fine. Where is your name, Veena? Veena, I didn't see your name in the list.
I think it's named as Tina here.
What is that?
My Zoom name, is named as Tina. So
Rastina.
yeah, it's both are same. So we just use someone also used my Zoom account.
Oh, I see. Tina.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. So apart from these three persons, rest of all old people only. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So he is a person granting the privileges to the users. What is the meaning of privilege? Privilege means, come on guys.
Permission, authority, stuff like that.
Yeah. One more important thing. Rajesh and Sangeeta, maybe first 10 minutes you may not understand the class. Don't bother because we are in the middle of the topic actually. Okay.
Okay.
After 10 minutes, I'll make you understand. Don't bother about it.
Okay.
Fine. So please bear with me. So granting the privileges. Granting the privileges to the users. Privilege means what? Permissions to the users. Is a person revoke. Revoke means what? Taking back the privileges from the users. And also, he is a person performing data management operations. Data management operations means he is importing the data and also what? Exporting the data. Importing the data means extract the data from external systems, Salesforce, and also exporting means, okay, move the data from Salesforce to what? Systems. That is the meaning of what? Import and export. If you want to perform as administrator, if you want to perform import and export operations, we need to make use of, because Salesforce given some tools. Those tools can be called as data import wizard. Data import wizard and a data loader. Using these two tools, administrator can perform import operations and export operations. And data import wizard and data loader, both are the tools which is given by Salesforce. Using these two tools, system administrator can perform import and export operations. Next, the next topic is data automations. And we have something like what? Approvals. Data automations means automatically perform the operations. Automatically perform the operations without user interaction. For example, I'll give you a small example. Suppose I deposit some amount in my account. If I deposit some amount in my account, immediately will I receive the SMS on my mobile or not? Hello? Can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Same way, if I withdraw some amount from ATM, then also I will receive SMS from my mobile. Sir, no? Tell me, who will send the SMS to my mobile? Is there any person in the bank is sending SMS manually to my mobile? No.
No, it's a system.
It's automatically performed. This kind of operations can be called as what? Automations. Automatically perform the operations without user interaction or without user intervention. That kind of things can be called as what? Data automations. Understand, Sangeeta and Rajesh?
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. So data automations and approvals. I will discuss what is the meaning of approval and all. So data automations and approvals. For data automations and approvals, Salesforce given some tools like we have something like workflows, process builder, and also we have, what is this? Workflows, process builder, and what is it?
Flows.
Flow builder. This is flow builder. Using these tools, we can perform what? Data automations. For approvals, we have something like what? Approval process. Using these tools, system administrator can perform data automations as well as what? Next point is, the next point is data analysis. That is, we have something like reports and also what? Dashboards. We can generate the reports and dashboards. This is called business intelligence.
It's just like Power BI.
Just like Tableau. Power BI, Tableau kind of thing.
Okay.
Next one. Data security. This is very, very important job of system administrator. Data security. System administrator can provide the security for the data in different levels. It is org level security. Under org level security, we have app level security. Under app level security, we have something like tab level security. Under tab level security, we have, what is this? Object level security. Under object level security, we have something like field level security. And under field level security, we have record level security. Under record level security, we have something like OWDs. OWD stands for organization-wide defaults. And also we have something like role hierarchies. And also sharing rules, manual sharing, permission sets. All comes under what? Data security. All of you understand? So these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real time. Understand everyone? What is the first job?
Yes.
Is a person creating the user accounts, creating the roles for the users, and also creating the profiles. So, and he is the person granting the privileges to the users, revoke back the privileges from the users, and also he is performing some data management operations like import and export with the help of some tools like data import wizard and data loader, and data automation operations and approvals with the help of some workflows, process builder and flow builder and approval process, data analysis, that is reports and dashboards. And the most important job of system administrator is data security, org level security, app level security, tab level security, field level security, record level security. Under record level security, we have something like OWDs, organization-wide defaults, role hierarchies, sharing rules, manual sharing, permission sets. These are all comes under what here? Data security aspect. All of you understand? And
Yes,
here,
yes.
at this particular point of time, I need to tell one important point. Everyone, please listen to the class carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. In Salesforce, we have two types of job profiles. How many types, Sangeeta?
Types of
Two types of job profiles. The first one is called admin job, administrator job. Second one is
Developer job. Developer.
there are two types of job, developer job and administrator job. If you want to go for administration side, you do not require any programming language knowledge. Understand all of you. But if you want to go for development side, you should have the programming language knowledge. But comparatively, administrator, developer job is more crucial and you'll get more salary than administrator in real time. Understand? At least you can expect a minimum 20 to 30% variation between the salaries, administrator and as well as developer. Understand, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Understand, Veena? Everyone in the classroom. Clear all of you?
Yes, yes.
Maybe some people caring about programming side. Most of the people I can say. So generally they prefer what? Administration. Generally. But what is my first choice is what? Development. Go for developer. You'll get more salary than administrator. Job is very challenging also in real time. Clear all of you guys? Like that in Salesforce, how many types of job profiles? 2 types, administrator and as well as developer. Am I clear this part of my explanation regarding roles and responsibilities of system administrator in real time?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone in the class, Rajesh, Sangeeta, Veena, and rest of all the people.
Yes,
How
yes,
much?
clear.
Sir, the question is that do we learn all these responsibilities in this class?
Obviously, I'm going to teach everything point to point.
Thanks.
Everything. I'm not going to leave anything. Even small point also I'm going to touch. Clear?
Thank you, sir. Thank
Don't
you.
bother about
Appreciate
this.
it.
I'm not compromised from my side.
Sir?
Towards subject. Understand all of you?
Yeah, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Abhijit.
Yeah, one doubt, sir. I'm Rajesh.
Yeah, Rajesh, tell me.
This roles and responsibilities of the system, this will all come into the granting, total it will come into the system administration only.
Yes.
For developer, what kind of responsibilities he will?
Yeah, that is a point I'm going to discuss now, Rajesh.
Okay, yeah.
As of now, we discussed about roles and responsibilities of system administrator. But as a developer, what is your responsibility? That is a point I'm going to discuss next 20 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please wait. See there. Okay, guys. So the next topic, the most important
Hi,
topic.
sir. Sorry to bother you, but I have one question. This is Rohit.
Yeah, Rohit, tell me.
Can you please explain what is the connection between environments?
Your voice is breaking, Rohit.
Sorry. Is it clear now?
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. I was asking, like, what is the correlation between versions, editions, and environments?
There is no correlation. Completely both. All these are different topics, different points. Environments is different, editions are different, and versions are different. That's it. There is no
it's not
correlation.
like,
There's no relation.
it's not. Okay. It's not like all the versions contain these editions, not like that.
Oh, it's not like that. It's not.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is very, very important topic, guys. From here onwards, everybody please concentrate. The actual topic is going to start from now onwards. Understand all of you? So please be careful. I'm going very slow. If anybody do not understand any point, please stop me and don't hesitate to ask the questions. Everyone in the classroom. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So feel free. Treat me like your friend. Understand, Rajesh, Ahmad?
Appreciate it, sir. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So the most important topic is MVC. Is anyone here this name called MVC?
Yes, sir. Model view controller.
Yeah, exactly. So model view controller. MVC stands for model view controller. I'm going very slow. Model view and controller. It's a 3-tier architecture. Or I can say it contains 3 compartments. Okay, the first layer is called a view. The middle layer is called a controller. And the last and bottom layer is what? Model. End user always sitting. End user always sitting in front of the view. View means user interface. User interface means whatever end user can see, that is the view. Understand all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whatever
Yes.
end user can see and interact, that thing can be called as what? That is, for example, for your understanding, let me open HDFC Bank net banking application. Click on HDFC Bank net banking application. See here, this is the home page of HDFC Bank net banking application. In this home page, we can see customer ID oblique user ID. Here I need to enter my what?
Customer
User
ID or user ID.
Or customer ID. 440114011 is my user ID or customer ID. And what is the button here?
Continue.
Continue. Tell me, according to HDFC Bank application point of view, who am I? Decode.
Candy user.
I'm the end
End
user.
user.
I'm the customer. I'm the end user. End user always sitting in front of what? In front of the view. Understand? So this is view. This is view. Okay. In front of the view, excuse me. Someone need to mute, please. Someone need to mute. In front of the view, I am the end user. I'm sitting and I can see something on the screen and also I can interact. Yes or no?
Yes.
So whichever I
right.
can see, whichever I can interact, that is called what?
View.
View. This is called user interface. Through view, end user is going to feed some data. Feed some, what is this? Data. Just adjust, at present, just now I entered what? My user ID. What is this? So if I enter, if I click on continue button, which button? Continue button.
Continue.
It is asking about the password or not.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
If I'm entering wrong customer ID, it won't display what? Password.
Password.
Yes or no? Clear all of you. So
Yes, sir.
whatever customer ID I entered, and it is going to check whether this customer ID correct or wrong. Who will check? It is going to check by whom? Here?
Controller.
Controller. So whatever data I feeds or I fed through view, this data goes to where? Come on. Controller. Controller takes the data and checks the data, whether the data correct data, wrong data. If the correct data is correct data, then it is going to interact with what here? Model. And from the model in the sense what? It's nothing but a database. Understand all of you? What it contains?
Yes, sir.
It contains what? Database. What controller contains? Controller contains what? Business logic. What is this?
Business.
Business logic. So end user always interact with the view. Whatever data he feeds on the view, the data goes to controller, and then controller goes to model. And from the model database, it takes the data, or it fetches the data from the database and give it back to controller. And then controller give it back to whom here? View. On the view, and this is going to see the output. Understand all of you? This is how data will flow from left side to right side, and as well as right side to what? Left side. It's a bidirectional operator. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It goes towards right side, it goes towards left side also. Clear everybody this point? Clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, no. So here I need to enter the
Yes.
password. I'm entering the password here. Observe carefully. I click on this checkbox. This is my secure ID. Click on what button?
Login.
If my username and password both are correct, I can fetch the information from my account or not. Tell me, what is my total balance? ANR 1,166.
1,166.07.
This is my account balance. All of understand?
Yes, sir.
So am I fetching the data or not from the database?
Yes.
Yes.
Database, HDFC Bank Net Bank database, I'm fetching here. Clear all of you. And what is the button here?
Logout.
Logout. Like that, listen carefully here. The end user is going to feed the data on the form. Whatever data he enters on user interface, the data goes to controller, and then controller goes to model. And from the model, data coming to model and give it back to whom here? User. Yes or no? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, that's great.
It's a three-tier architecture. Okay. Model, view, controller. So this view can be called as presentation layer. What is this, Rajesh?
Presentation layer.
And controller can be called as business logic layer. And model can be called as what? Database.
Database layer.
All of you understand? Like that.
Yeah.
MVC stands for the model view controller. It contains 3 layers. The first layer can be called as view. The middle one can be called as controller. And the last and final one can be called as model. It's a 3-tier architecture. Almost every technology follows MVC model or MVC architecture, I can say. Not only Salesforce. You take Java, you take .NET, you take Python, even Salesforce. Everything follows what? MVC model. It's a common phenomenon. Almost every technology follows the same architecture. We cannot escape from this model. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, but with respect to Salesforce, what MVC contains? So, I will start from model onwards. That is a bottom layer. That is a database layer. What model contains? With respect to Salesforce, I am talking. This point is very crucial, guys. Listen carefully and try to understand. Model contains again 2 compartments. The first compartment name is called schema. Second compartment name is called, what is this?
Instance.
Schema, and second one is what here? Instance. Schema means a schema contains, I can say, app, object, field, we have something like relationships. We have 6 types of relationships in Salesforce. That is self-relationship, lookup. We have something like master detail relationship, many to many. roll-up summary, hierarchical relationships. Next, we have something like validation rules. Here, standard validation. And what? Come on. Custom validation. And also we have something like field dependency. Field dependency can also be called as pick list dependency. And also we will discuss about something like page layouts, record types, cross object, formula field, global pick list, track field history. These are the topics are covered in where here comes under schema part. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
And hear me. Apps, tabs, as objects, fields, relationships, validation rules, field dependency, page layouts, record types, cross-object formula fields, global pick list, track field history. All these topics we are going to cover in the first module called what? Configuration.
Configuration.
As I told you before, we are going to cover how many modules?
6 modules.
6 modules I'm going to cover span of 3 months time. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The topics, whatever I written, all these topics are covered in where? In configuration part. Understand everyone? Rajesh,
Yes.
Sangeeta, Veena, Ahmad, everyone in the class.
Yes, sir. Yes, thanks.
Fine, fine. Good, good. So here, all these topics are covered in where here? Configuration part. After completion of the configuration, okay, so instance, coming to instance again, contains what? Data and records. So this comes into model part. This is the bottom layer, model. The middle layer is what here? What is the middle layer?
Controller.
Controller. The controller means it's under what? Come on. Development. In controller, we will discuss about the major topic is hooks, object-oriented programming. We have something like exception handling. Expressions, annotations, database concepts, that is SOQL, SOQL, OSL, and the DML commands. And also we will discuss about what is this collections. Under collections, we will discuss about the list class, set class, map class. After that, we will enter into controllers topic. Before controllers, let me introduce view part. The view part means front-end designing, front-end form designing, user interface designing. Generally, we people are using HTML. You know HTML? Is anyone of you heard this name?
Yes. Hypertext markup
sir,
language.
Yeah, using this
Hypertext
language,
markup.
what we can do? We can design the front-end forms. Yes, sir? Yeah.
Websites we are design.
Yes. Instead of using HTML, Salesforce given their own markup language. Salesforce given their own markup language. It is called Visual Force. What is this? Come on.
Visual Force.
Visual Force. Salesforce given their own markup language name is called Visual Force. So after completion of collections topic, list, set, and map, we will discuss about Visual Force near about 1 week. Understand? How to design the layers and after Visual Force, we will enter into controllers topic. We have 6 types of controllers, guys. types of controllers. See guys, application level programming will start from here onwards. Understand all of you? From here?
Okay, yes, sir.
From controllers onwards. Real-time programming will start from controllers. We have 6 types of controllers in Salesforce. First one is called standard controller, custom controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller. We have something like what? Extension controller. So total how many, Rajesh? 6. Standard controller, custom controller, standard list controller, custom list controller, standard set controller,
Extension controller.
So this is the area you have to focus more, guys. Everyone in the classroom. This is the area you have to focus more. Here.
Yes,
After
sir.
that, we will discuss about schedule effects. No, in between, we need to discuss about interfaces, schedule effects, match effects. After that, the last and final topic in development part is trigger. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
After
sir.
triggers, we will enter into integration topic. All of you understand? Integration, we will discuss about SOAP API, REST API, now something like what? Bulk API. We will discuss about all these things. Here I'm going to discuss about JSON language. Anyone know what is the JSON stands for? JavaScript object notation. And also we will discuss about workbench. Workbench tool. Clear all of you? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, Rajesh, I think somebody asking, what is the roles and what are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? Who is that? Right? What is your name?
Yeah, I asked about the developer job. How it works.
Rajesh? Yeah, Rajesh, okay.
Yes, I'm Rajesh.
Rajesh, these are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator.
Okay.
Everything created, developed by system, sorry, not system administrator.
Developer.
From configuration onwards.
Okay.
Schema creation onwards, everything. These are the major responsibilities of system administrator. From creating the app onwards. Clear all of you?
Yes.
These are the responsibilities of developer. Here, after integration part, integration, we will enter into what? Come on. What is this? Admin. After admin, we will discuss about CRM. Finally, we will discuss about what?
Lightning.
Yeah, lightning is also covered. Total, how many modules I'm going to cover here? 6 modules.
6 modules.
That is
6
why it
modules.
takes, 3 months time, guys. Clear all of you? It's very huge syllabus. Understand everyone?
I have one question. That means only total 6 modules are there, or
Only 6 modules are there.
in Salesforce? Okay.
I am starting I'm starting the class very from scratch level till top level.
Okay.
Okay. End to end, I'm covering.
Okay. Thank you.
And Sangeeta, I'm not going to miss any topic.
No, actually, I thought that out of so many, you are explaining only 6 modules. That's why I'm asking about it.
Technically, this is everything covered here.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
I'm not discussing about functional modules. Functional modules means sales, service, marketing, education, health. These are all what? Function side. I'm not discussing about functional. It's purely technical.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
The total, how many modules I'm covering here? 6 modules, span of 3 months time.
Okay.
All of you understand? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
next point, what I'm going to discuss is, and one more important thing. Tomorrow evening, 5 o'clock as usual, your time. But 5 to 7, I'm going to take 2 hours class tomorrow. How many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours class. Is it okay for all of you? Ahmad, Rajesh?
It should be a little bit difficult for me, sir. Actually, I was going to ask, is it possible, is there any class available during the Indian morning time?
Yeah, I have that question. In the morning time, it means it's very helpful for me. I'm working at 6 o'clock. Now also I have another call with my, yeah.
Where are you from, Rajesh, now?
I'm in Hyderabad.
Oh, I see. So
Yeah,
morning
I'm
time
living
is,
in Canada, so it's my work time now starts like after 30 minutes. So it's difficult to me to make it, but still I'm trying to learn the course.
only for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That's it, only 2 days.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Not every day.
Yeah.
Every day 1 hour only. Only tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Make yourself
Okay,
free
sir.
tomorrow, everyone. Understand,
Okay,
everyone?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So one question, how this Salesforce programming will be handled by anyone from non-programming background?
Yeah, that is everything in the hands of the developer trainer. How I'm going to take the class and how make you understand the subject. It is all everything in my hands only. Understand, Abhishek? He's asking.
I asked Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Somebody asked me this question. Who's that guy? What is your name?
Yeah, Rohit, sir. My name is Rohit.
Rohit, don't bother about the programming. Even though you have zero knowledge also, I'll make you master in programming next 3 months.
Okay, sir. Yeah, actually, sir, I have been working in Siebel for the past 3 years, and I have switched to Salesforce now.
What, Rohit, come again? You're working on?
I have been working on Siebel technology for the past 3
Siebel
years in
CRM.
one of the
Oh, Siebel
yeah,
CRM.
yeah.
Good. Which company? Patni?
No, sir, TCS.
TCS. Okay. No problem, Rohit. So I will make you master in programming side. Huh? Don't bother.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Rajesh?
Yeah.
Sangeeta, understand? Good.
Yes.
So
What was the timing? What timing?
tomorrow 5 to 7, 2 hours class. Only tomorrow and day after tomorrow, only 2 hours.
Sir, for Salesforce, is there any other timings apart from 5 to 6?
Yeah.
Other timings means which timing?
Like from morning to evening, any other batches is there or no?
Morning, morning, which time you are free? Morning, I have sessions.
So when we have long hour classes, if can start early, maybe that might help.
For me, it's login time.
Actually, we are working from 9 to 7. So it's issue. Like now there is no work means we are able to attend. But if the work will start means we will not be able to continue.
The morning 8 o'clock or like 9 or 10. It's
or 5 to 6, 6 to 7. That and all be okay.
8 o'clock okay? Night 8 o'clock?
Night? No.
Morning 8 o'clock okay?
Yes, okay, fine.
Yeah, that should be okay for me as well.
Yeah.
Because
actually, the problem is morning 8 o'clock already some batches running. They're almost their running stage.
7 o'clock also fine for me.
7 o'clock I have another batch.
6 o'clock also.
See, my timings is starting morning 5 a.m. 5 a.m. to continuously 12 a.m. 12 p.m. have sessions.
Okay.
Again 3 o'clock to night 10 o'clock continuous sessions.
Approximately 10 batches.
Sorry?
10 batches, I think.
More than
almost 14 hours, morning 7 hours, evening 7 hours.
14 hours.
So this is my schedule. That is why all batches are occupied. That's the problem. Because I used to take the sessions for other countries also. That's the problem here. For other country people, for me it is morning 5 o'clock. For them it is night. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why I have to start the class at early hour of 5 o'clock. But anyway, please continue it between 5 to 6. Okay. Very soon I'm going to start a new batch at morning 8 o'clock. I'll inform you so that we can shift it in the batch.
Yes, sir. That should be great because even I can make it.
Sir, do we have any chance? 4 o'clock, 4 to 4 o'clock or 4:30?
Evening 4 o'clock.
Yes, it's 4 or 4 o'clock. Is there any chance?
See, guys, the problem is, of course, I understand your problem, the point. Please wait another 10 days. Why? Because at present, I'm taking the corporate batch, corporate company. That is Rapid Force Technologies. So for them, I'm taking the sessions between 10 to 12 morning, evening 3 to 5. Point clear. And that batch is going to complete next 10 days. Once the batch completed, I will take the session at evening 4 o'clock. No problem. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So please try to cooperate with me, guys. Everyone, 5 to 6, please to try to come down. And if the new batch will start, I'll inform you. You can shift it in the batch. Okay.
Okay, sir. For evening or for morning?
Morning and evening. Very soon, I'm going to start 8 o'clock, 8 p.m.
So are you talking in IST hours or EST hours?
I'm talking about IST hours only.
Okay.
I'm talking about as per my time. And you can convert your time as per your EST hour.
So yeah, I will take the morning class, morning Indian morning because in the
For you it is
PM,
morning. For me it is morning.
Yeah, here is a morning. Now it is 7:30. So we are going to work at 8. So yeah, I will definitely go with
Anyway,
the
I'm
morning class.
requesting. Of course, timing is not a problem, guys. I will adjust the timings. No problem. But initially, first few days, please come down at 5 to 6. Hello.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss later regarding this. It's already almost 6 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow, I will start the first module. That is what here. Come on.
Configuration.
Configuration. Tomorrow's class is very important. Rajesh, Sangeeta, and Veena, don't miss the class.
Okay.
The actual topic is going to start from tomorrow. That is configuration. This is the first module of your syllabus. Tomorrow, I'm going to discuss about the basic vocabulary, what we are using in Salesforce. So before we all dive into Salesforce environment, we should know about basic words that we need to understand first. So that I'm going to discuss in the class. Understand Sangeeta, Rajesh, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Everyone in the class.
Yes.
It is all about
The way that you are explaining that is very easy.
Sorry, Ahmed, come again.
I said the way that you are explaining the topics, so it's very easy to understand.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thanks for the feedback.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Fine, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow at 5 o'clock evening.
Yes,
so don't
sir.
miss the class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'm going to take 2-hour session. Only tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Not every day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Any doubt?